front facing camera, full length of my arm. How's the exposure on the sky directly to the sun? When I'm out of the frame, it should compensate quickly. There is no clouds, so it's quite difficult to show the exposure. Oh, maybe now. Okay, definitely greater on the ultra. Well, the bigger it is, the less attractive it is. It's supposed to be blue, not white, but it wants to brighten up my face. Let me get out again. Compensation. Okay. But there is an advantage in the ultra. A big advantage. Or again, full length of my arm. And the advantage is in the macro department, in the autofocus department. For example, if you vlog, if you want to show something in the front-facing camera, something in close-up. Do you see the difference? Now that is significant difference. A great difference in the macro department. So for vlogging, ultra is still a better choice. Well, it all depends how you vlog. If not in details, then they both great. And with the wide angle lens, ultra is definitely wider. Colors and a bit brighter, I guess. Commenting when I see on the smartphone screen colors for you. Alright. Let's continue. Video stabilization and macro test. Maybe let's not do it on the sidewalk because those are not exactly flat, but those are. They are flat. And we have a better result on the Mini. Okay, again. Oh yeah. The Advanced AI, or maybe just the lens, a different focal length. Could be. Alright, vlogging style. This is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to sound like. And let's continue to the main lens. Autofocus is quick. Main lens. Autofocus. Well, let's try it on the plant. Do remember that the cameras are not at the same position. They are a bit like, what's the difference? Like 5 centimeters, maybe less. Okay, I think they look pretty good in both of them. It's pretty good. Anyway, vlogging style. If you want to vlog from the main lens, this is how it's going to look like, with a nice bokeh behind the subject, which is me. Let's continue to the telephoto experience.
Then let's try a telephoto. Starting with the Mini. Zooming. Okay, it's a little bit blurry, a bit, but with the ultra, with that optical zoom, huge periscope, the difference is vast in clarity, sharpness. You see, ultra is physical, optical, and new version x200 and x200 Pro Mini are more electronic zoom, and okay, they still have a periscope, but it's more like electronic and AI. And ultra is natural without any. Okay, there is some AI, but not much. Pictures. x100 has a better optics, but software-wise x200 is much greater with the AI and how fast it is to the exposure, sharpness, and basically all. So if we got a proper update for the x100, then you could keep up, but without it, well, you're left with the manual. Manually, it's better, but most of the people will use automated mode. And that's all I got. Link in the description. See you next video.